Alright, so they say I got a busted head gasket. So we're gonna pour this shit in there. You know what I mean? We're just gonna pour it all because either way we're gonna buy a whole new engine, but we're gonna see if it
really works.
Really works. Let's see. Mechanics are other like, don't do it. Don't do it. I ain't no mechanic, so I don't know. I just go off of YouTube. Dang, that shit's all silver.
Is it? Oh, it is. It's pretty. Can you get up and close for y'all?
By then, after this works, I should have like a whole new engine. Oh shit, it's spilling all over.
Suck it up.
Am I gonna listen when I tell you that?
Shut up. You need to censor that out.
So we're gonna put some in the reservoir because they said put in the reservoir?
Yeah, so put some in there.
There we go. So by the end of the day, I'm gonna have a whole new engine. It ain't gonna look the same.
You just put that new fan in. Look at that, look at that. Smells like hamburgers.
Neighbor's barbecuing.
Okay. Now he's gonna top it off with some
Now we're gonna pour
coolant.
some of this in the Dula Magada. This isn't even going down.
It's not?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so go ahead and turn the car on now. So he has to turn the car on. I'm reading the directions.
Well, you turn on, I'm all dirty. I just fucking hit all brand new shit.
Okay, here.
Are you put the cap on or what?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on until it reaches. Yeah, where are the keys at?
Hmm?
Did you get the keys from here?
All in the car.
Oh. Look at his inside. It looks good. I don't want to step in here. Look at how clean it is. This is radio. Look at how clean that is. I shampooed his carpets before we put them in, so they look really good. I need to wash those seat belts though. There's everything. I need to clean his seats right there. There's just little spots, but everything's good. His doors. That we have a recall on the ignition. So, So we already made the appointment for August 6th to take it to the dealership to get that fixed. Do you want me to pause it now?
What?
Pause your thing?
Huh?
Pause your phone?
Huh?
Pause it?